guys, I just got a package from Amazon. I don't know what it is. So yeah, it's kind of medium. So let's open it. I think it's a 2x2 because next you broke. So someone modeled it up, and then I was like, I didn't like it. So they like unscrewed the top and then they just put it back together like house solved, and then the turning was so bad. I was like turning. I tried to do a normal turn and then the whole thing cracked. So I bought, I think, roxenda. So yeah, let's open it. So let's open the box. Oops. Oh, now it works. Yay. QI toys. More than a professional speed cube. Let's open. So I actually opened it because I wanted to see how it looks like. But now that I'm going to actually open it, you see it's opened already. I just wanted to see how it looks, the turning. But we'll now talk about it right now. So let's open it. It doesn't come open, so yeah. Then just open the package and you're like, bro, it's opened. I just opened it. So yeah, first when you open it, there's a manual. How do you solve the cube? You maybe can't see it because maybe it's a different way. I can't see you because I'm on camera. You probably see me. But yeah, let's open it. Oh, this is the clip what so it was open and look like this. It was on the top, but yeah, and this is the cube. Let's see some thoughts. It's very loose. Like it. Yeah, it's really loose. Look. I can make a whole turn. Nearly a whole turn. Yeah. Let's see if it says how you scrambled it and can you solve it. Oh, this isn't how you solve it. It just gives you algorithms. You two are. Okay, this is back to the box. So yeah, this is it was so quick. I'm not modeling up. I'm gonna buy a secret vault to keep my cube safe. And safe. What did I say? I'm gonna I'm gonna buy a vault for money, but you can open it with a secret pin and give all the cubes in, and then I'm gonna just do the passcode and give my money. So yeah, thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked it. And yeah, again, sorry for the open thing. Just don't worry that it's actually gonna come opened. I just opened it for to see how the cubes actually works. And yeah, everything is going back to the box. So yeah. Thank you for watching my video. Like I did here. When it was like closed, you see it. There's like a thing what you can like put through the cube, and then look, you can just take it out. So that's what I did first, but yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna give all the things here. And thank you for watching my video. This is my main 2x2. My main 3x3 is the pillowed. So yeah, thank you for watching my video. And sorry. And I'm gonna see you in the next video. Bye.